Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is Mikhail here and I'm back with new tutorial. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to recover your VK password. So if you have forgotten your password, you have trouble logging into your account, this video is for you, so make sure you stick till the end. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the VK application. Once you land on this interface, tap on sign in another account. Here, first of all, provide your phone number or email that you have used while signing up on VK. After you're done with that, tap on sign in. Then you will get to see this interface from where you can enter your password, but since we don't remember our password, so under that you will get a link that says forgot your password or don't have one yet. Tap on forgot your password. And in here you have to again enter your phone number or email. Or if you don't have access to any of those information, you can also tap on the link that says I can remember or don't have access to this information below the continue option. Here we have our phone number, so tap in your phone number. Then tap on continue. Again you have to confirm that this is your account, so tap on continue. And again confirm your phone number as well. Again tap on continue. After that, you will get a call from VK and enter the last 4 digits. Here I have a call. Go ahead and enter the last 4 digits, that is 6953. After you're done with that, you will see your account on this interface. If that is your account, then tap on yes, this is my account. Now you get to change your password. So enter the new password. Your password must contain capital letters and mustn't contain any of your personal information. So I will go ahead and edit that again. Then repeat the password again. Once you're done with that, tap on continue. If you want to save your password to Google, simply save your password. Here I will tap on that now. And with that, you have recovered your VK password. And next time you log into your account, log into your recently changed password. So this is how you can recover your VK password. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, drop the like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.